You may have heard it, but today is tax day and the window is closing for you to file. I keep saying it because I'm really reminding myself,
Yeah.
like, oh gosh, I gotta do that. If you are watching this, you know, maybe starting to get a little anxious. Don't worry, you got lots of time, and we've got you covered.
Cold sweats, cold sweats.
Yeah.
Our Sydney Stallworth is live for us in Jefferson County with what all of you procrastinators need to start doing right now. Sydney?
Oh, really? Procrastinators. You're calling Michelle out because she just admitted that she hasn't paid her taxes. And guess what, Michelle? You're not alone. A third of Americans are behind on this as well. Now, it's quiet here at H&R Block this morning, but that's definitely going to change. You know, this is the busiest time of year for tax preparers, and I talked to quite a few since yesterday, and they're all pretty stressed out. And they also say that so many people wait until the last minute to file their taxes. We're going to help you out if that's you this morning. Now, one thing you need to know is that the deadline to file is midnight tonight. And if you feel like you're going to miss it, just file an extension. And you can do this on sites like TurboTax or file a Form 4868 directly on IRS.gov. But remember, this is just an extension to file, not an extension to pay your tax bill. If you owe money, you still have to pay by the end of today. Otherwise, interest will be added. Now, if you're expecting a refund, you don't have to file an extension. And don't forget to document all of your income this go around. That includes payments via money transfer apps, and always double check your forms before you click that final submit button. Now, if you know you owe some money, but you're worried that you can't pay it all today, don't dodge filing your taxes. You can face a stiff penalty if you get flagged for failure to file.
Penalty for failure to file is way more than the interest for whatever that's due. So I say definitely, if you owe, do an extension, call your tax professional, and if you have it, go ahead and send what you think your estimated taxes may be for 2022.
Now, just so you know, that failure to file penalty is 5% of your owed taxes each month. So it goes up by 5% every month that you don't file your taxes. Now, let's say you do file, but you just don't pay right away today. The interest rate is just 0.5%. So clearly it's in your best interest to go ahead and file. Now, if you file an extension today before the day is up, that means your new deadline to have all of your taxes filed is October 16th. Now, when I was speaking with the tax experts, I had some questions for all of our first-time filers out there. I'll have those answers in our next half hour. For now, reporting live in Arnold, I'm Sydney Stallworth. 5 on your side.
All right, thanks so much, Sydney. You can learn more about deductions and tax credits in Missouri and Illinois. And for that information, text the word taxes to the number on your screen, 314-425-5355.